78 individuals have filed their certificate of candidacy for senator in next year's elections. This includes some notable personalities like re-electionist Pia Cayetano and lawyer singer Jimmy Bondoc. Here's the report.
Senator Pia Cayetano and her supporters rode their bikes on the way to Manila Hotel for her filing of certificate of candidacy in next year's elections. She is a re-electionist under the Marcos administration's Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas. Also present with her are her brother, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, and his wife, Taguig Mayor Lani Cayetano. Pia did not grant an interview with the media. Her co-alliance, ACT-CIS Representative Erwin Tulfo, also filed his candidacy yesterday. Tulfo will run under Lakas Christian Muslim Democrats, which is part of the president's coalition. His brother Ben is also gunning for a senatorial seat. If the two of them will win in next year's elections, they will join their brother, Senator Raffy, on the Senate floor. Erwin expressed support for preventing political dynasty if it will benefit the nation. But as long as there is no law about it, he said it's up to the public if they want to have 3 Tulfos in the Senate.
As long as there's no law yet, then we let the people decide. Di po ba? Kung may batas na ho, then we stop. If it's for the benefit of the whole nation, para mapagbigyan ng lahat, then why not, di ba?
Before them, James Patrick Romero Bondoc, or more known as singer Jimmy Bondoc, filed his candidacy for senator. The singer-lawyer is running under former President Rodrigo Duterte's party, Partido Demokratiko Pilipino or PDP.
Nais ko pong gamitin ng boses na ito upang i-institutionalize ang anti-corruption. Gumawa po ng isang mabisa na batas na tuluyan ng wakasan ang korupsyon sa Pilipinas.
Tribal leader Junbert Gigayuma, former vice presidential candidate Wilson Ahmad, Sixto Lagare, and Ernesto Arellano also filed their COC for senator yesterday. So far, 78 individuals have filed their COC for senator. Other senatorial hopefuls have until tomorrow to file their candidacy for next year's elections. For News 5, Gerard de la Peña, We Are One News.
Bayan party list ang abangan natin today. Tapos 'di ba may little birds nagsasabi.
Baka daw today si
Bam Aquino and Kiko Pangilinan. Ayun, yung tatlo baka magsabay na rin pero iba hindi na as senator si
hindi na as Checky Bam.
Hindi na Checky Bam. Ano na lang Kibam.
Kibam.
Diba? Kibam.
Okay, tapos yun nga kanina nabanggit ko, 'di ba?
Si Eric Tayag.
Oo. Tapos yung kanina pinag-uusapan natin yung pala kasama siya sa report si Jimmy Bondoc. Diba? Kasama siya ni, sinamahan siya ni, ang pangalan nito, ni Senator Robin Hood Padilla. Diba? Sa pag-file ng kanyang COC. Kanina rin, nakita din natin, isang personality. Ano ang pangalan nun, Direk? Yung taga-PDP din.
Hinlo.
Kasama rin si...
Yusek Hinlo.
Oo, kasama rin itong si Senator Robin Hood Padilla.
So, binibuild na in the absence, in the possible, yan. Pulong Duterte, ayan, we have something coming in. Pulong Duterte files for re-election for congressman ng Davao as expected. Natuloy. Last week kasi yung son naman niya, di ba, ang nag-file for councilor. Ayan, as expected, one Duterte si down. Let's see the 2 other remaining Dutertes.
So, today, aasahan pa natin na may mga iba pang mga magpa-file ng kanilang COC. Until tomorrow, ang bilis naman talaga ng panahon. Akalain mo last week, nandun lang ako first day. Bukas, babalik po ako dyan dahil last day na.
Last day na.
Diba? So, abangan natin kung sino-sino pa yung mga magpa-file ng kanilang COC today and tomorrow.